Hi everyone, my name is Macha Varshita and my role name is 20EE10040. Using the FreeCAD software, I have made a vase. I have used the loft feature to make this vase, and using adjusting the coordinates, I have kept a sphere under this, and at last I have meshed it with triangles, and then have generated a G code for its printing using the Cura. Here you could see the ways in Cura. According to the infill I have set and the speed of printing, it takes 16 hours 52 minutes. To reduce those time taken, could reduce the infill or increase the speed. There are numerous ways. So we could see the was at different levels of printing. So these are the different levels of printing. I have kept the printing and I have kept the infill pattern as triangles. So this is so this I have done as a part of my DIY project. Thank you.